Wait, this is not just another cooking video. This is a full-blown experiment in the middle of the wilderness, where every rule you know about cooking is completely broken. Look at him, alone in the forest, starting by building his own fire, and then chopping massive chunks of meat right on a tree stump. Like this isn't a kitchen, it's a survival war zone. But the real chaos hasn't even started yet, because what he's about to throw into that pan next doesn't even feel like a recipe. An entire bottle of red wine, whole garlic cloves, loads of vegetables, and river water that no normal person would even think about using. This isn't cooking anymore. This is a full-on flavor gamble. And on the other side, there's that bread cooking directly over burning coals, half of it turning black, the other half waiting for a molten cheese explosion. Now the question isn't whether this will turn out good or bad. And that's it. Everything is finally ready. From building the fire in the middle of nowhere to that crazy wilderness cooking process, it all comes together in one final bite. Honestly, this wasn't just cooking. It was an experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild cooking adventures like this, and drop a comment below telling me what you want to see next. More survival cooking, bigger recipes, or even crazier experiments. I'll see you in the next one.